Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn on or turn off motion photos on Samsung phone. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Samsung phone and open the camera app. You can easily find it on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Step 2. Once you have the camera app open, make sure you're in photo mode. If you're not, just swipe left or right on the screen until you see photo selected. Step 3. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the motion photo icon. It looks like a small circle with a play button inside. If you want to enable motion photos, simply tap on this icon. Once activated, your phone will start capturing a few seconds of video before and after you take a picture, making your photos more dynamic. Step 4. If you want to turn off motion photos, just tap the same icon again. You'll notice that the icon is no longer highlighted, meaning the feature is disabled. Now, your phone will capture regular still photos without any motion. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn on or turn off motion photos on Samsung phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.